welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in and spending a little bit of your day with me today. So today I'm going to share with you the top 3 eye creams of all time. These 3 eye creams that I'm sharing with you today are beyond effective and beyond amazing. So I've been in the skincare business now for a long time, many years. I have worked with many skincare brands. I have tested and tried countless products over the years, and I can promise you that these 3 are the best of the best in the entire skincare world. They are so effective and they really produce just, amazing results. Again, I have worked with some of the best skincare brands, around. I work in the medical grade skincare industry. Medical grade skincare products are truly the best. They're going to be the most effective. And these 3 are just even the top of the best. So I'm going to share those with you guys today. I'll also share, which eye concerns they kind of most benefit, because there's dark circles, there's wrinkles, there's loss of firmness, there's always all these different eye concerns that we have. So I will share what these eye creams are best for. So let's just jump into it. These are literally the best 3 eye creams of all time. Let's start out with this one right here, because this truly, I'm not even exaggerating when I say it is like the most miracle working eye cream of all time. It's the Stanko-Zada, the AGE Eye Complex. Now, if you've been with my channel for a while, I have talked about this for years. I discovered this years ago and truly I love it. I honestly love it. It sounds really funny, but it just produces insane results. So I did not have this little guy for the past couple months, probably actually more close to a year, because I was not working with Stanko-Zada when I was, all in that whole Premier Look battle and just all that stuff was going down. I did not have this little guy on hand. So I just started using it again within the last month, since we started carrying Stanko-Zada now on my new Skin Truth website. And it is phenomenal, the changes that I see in my under eye and my eye area altogether since reintroducing this to my skincare routine. It truly just works wonders. Now, this does everything. So when I say they all have specific eye concerns, and they all can do a little bit of a different job to specific eye concerns to the eye area, this one does everything. It will help with lines and wrinkles. It helps with dark circles. And it truly firms up the skin around your eye. And you could even put this on your eyelid, which most eye creams say to avoid the eyelid area, because the eyelid's super delicate skin. And a lot of these eye creams have, more potency to them. They're, great for the under eye and they're potent, but then if you apply them to your eyelid, they can cause some irritation. Not all the time. Sometimes I will apply an eye cream to my eyelid and I'll be perfectly fine. But this one is made specifically for the eyelid and for firming up crepey skin. And when I tell you it does. You guys know I am always so honest with you guys, and I tell you how it is and just giving you the truth all the time. This truly firms up your skin like nothing else. I apply this under my eye every single night. I apply it to my eyelid. And when you're doing your eye makeup for the day and you're doing your eyeshadow, you know how your skin starts to move as you get older? You're applying your eyeshadow and your skin's just moving along with the brush. That sucks. So I've noticed, not even exaggerating, since I've been using this in the past just 1 month, the skin on my eyelid has gotten so much more firm. When I'm doing my eyeshadow, I notice a noticeable difference with, how firm my eyelid is. So this really helps with, firming the under eye, firming the eyelid, helps with crepey skin. You are gonna notice a huge change. It also really helps with lines and wrinkles, the crow's feet area. It's also super moisturizing, so it really helps to plump the under eye. And I love this eye cream. I mean, honest to God, you guys, if you have used this eye cream, you know the obsession. You know why I love it so much. And it does come in a tiny little jar. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, that's the tiniest little eye cream jar. But again, this is so concentrated. It just, you only need a tiny little bit. Dab it around your eyes. A little bit goes a long way. I honestly take a tiny little dot from my under eyes and a tiny little dot from my eyelid, and I pat it in. And this little container will, not even joking, will last at least 6 months. And just the effectiveness of this eye cream is truly beyond words. It is unbelievable. And I'm so happy to have it back in my life. And honestly, in the last month that I've been introducing this into my skincare routine, I see insane changes with my under eyes myself. I love it. All right, the next most effective eye cream of all time is SkinMedica TNS Eye Repair. I have used this for years. SkinMedica, again, one of the best medical grade skincare brands out there. Their products produce insanely real results to the skin. Same with SkinCeuticals. Like, you just can't beat their trials and their science behind their products. So this one is loaded with growth factors, hyaluronic acid, peptides. It's really moisturizing. It'll plump the under eye, and you'll see noticeable changes with like lines and wrinkles for sure, and dryness under your eyes as well. It's in a super moisturizing formula. It's not quite as like balmy as the SkinCeuticals. If you are used to the SkinCeuticals, you know how you kind of like dig it out. It's very concentrated, and just like I said, a little bit goes a long way. This, is the same thing. A little bit goes a long way. It's, again, super concentrated, but the formula is a little bit more lotiony, versus like more balmy as the SkinCeuticals AGE. So it's a little bit more, you can see like a little bit more of a, different formula, a little bit more lotiony feel. It feels incredible again on the under eye. Both of these are super hydrating and really, really help just like smooth the under eye. The SkinMedica TNS Eye Repair is phenomenal. Now, I have used this one on my eyelid as well. I don't personally get any irritation from it, but I don't get the same results with the tightening and firming as I do with the SkinCeuticals. This one is just beyond amazing for firming. This one is amazing and does an excellent job at lines and wrinkles and plumping and hydrating the under eye. That's where I see this one really shines and really stands out. So SkinMedica TNS Eye Repair, like I said, I've used it for years. The results are there. And the third best of the best eye cream I want to mention is this one right here. This is the NeoCutis Lumiere Firm. NeoCutis just kind of like updated this whole line. They call it their firm line now. They like updated and just redid their formulations, and they are so insanely good. I love the Bio Serum Firm. That is the growth factor serum. I love that stuff. I love the Neo Neck and Chest. That one is amazing for firming up the neck and the chest, like my favorite neck cream of life. And this Lumiere Firm, their eye cream, is so, so good as well. So this is the Lumiere Firm, and then they have the Lumiere Firm Riche, and the Riche is even more hydrating. So if you have extra dryness under the eye, then the Lumiere Riche would be the one that you grab. This is just so effective. People are seeing results with this, in 2 weeks. This is loaded with growth factors, loaded with their like proprietary peptides that really, stimulate collagen and elastin in the skin. It has antioxidants. It has the most beautiful texture wherein it like illuminates and just softens the under eye, and it just looks beautiful under makeup as well. It just melts into your skin. Again, super hydrating. I love it. The Lumiere is still very hydrating, but then again, Lumiere Riche is even more hydrating. I just love this formula. It does such an amazing job at lines and wrinkles. It will help to plump again the under eye. It does have hyaluronic acid in it as well. You will 100% guaranteed see changes with your under eye using this one as well. Like I said, there's clinical trials and studies behind this, and clinical trials show that people see results within 2 weeks. Like, it's super, super potent, super effective. So I love the NeoCutis Lumiere. You just cannot go wrong with it. It's a great formula. And those are the 3 eye creams that I completely 100% believe in. They really produce results better than any other eye creams I have tried. And for me personally, I usually use a different eye cream for the day and then a different one for the night. I like to mix them up a little bit and just get a little bit of different ingredients. And sometimes I'll use the same one morning and night, but then I do like to switch it up. This one truly though is always in my routine. I either use this twice a day or I use this at night, on my eyelid, under my eye, and then I'll use a different one, during the day and kind of get some of the benefits of the other one. But those are like 3 magic eye creams. You will 100% see results. And then I do want to mention 2 other eye products that I just have to mention because they're not eye creams, but they're just so beneficial, and I had to put them in this video because they're both vitamin C's for your under eyes, and I do use these daily. I usually use my vitamin C either, in the morning or even at night, and I apply this before one of my eye creams. Vitamin C is so important for the under eyes. It's going to help stimulate collagen and elasticity because vitamin C, is that antioxidant that really gets deep down, stimulates that collagen, stimulates that elastin in the skin, but they really help with like dark circles under the eye. Vitamin C, again, is gonna be super brightening. So these are very concentrated vitamin C products that just melt right into your skin, and then you can apply your eye cream on top. So the SkinCeuticals, the AOX eye gel is fabulous. Again, I've talked about this for years. This one comes out in such a great, lightweight, just gel formula. It's kind of like a gel slash serum. Just blends right under your eye. Oh my gosh, it's a mix of ferulic acid, vitamin C, Florentine. Oh, it has caffeine in it to really help with puffiness around the eye. You will see a huge difference if you apply this and you have puffy eyes. It really brings down the puffiness, but it is just loaded with amazing, amazing ingredients, amazing antioxidants that you will really, really see results, just brightening the under eye, really helping to stimulate that collagen and elasticity. And I always apply a vitamin C before one of my eye creams, usually just once a day, usually in the morning or at night, just either one. And then the other one is the Is Clinical, the CI Serum Advance. This is a 7.5% L-ascorbic acid. This one comes out in a dropper form like this. Again, amazing science behind this. It truly, truly works. This one, again, just blends right into the under eye. You can even dab both of these around like your brow bone. You really don't want to put it on your eyelid, but you can put it on your brow bone, and it helps to just kind of like firm and just protect that area that can help, you know, that's prone to like sagging and stuff. It just really, really works. So I had to mention those because I love them along with an eye cream, because they really do a good job at anti-aging and really brightening the under eye. So that is it. Those are the best of the best eye products that if you have more mature skin, you are going to be obsessed. Even 30 years old, no matter if you are 60, it is never ever too late to start with a really good eye cream. Turn back the hands of time a little bit. You will see changes and you will see results. And if you are on the younger side, it again is never too early to start on a good eye cream. Starting on a good eye cream early is so important. You're going to notice, you know, your under eyes just hold up so much better than people who are not using eye creams like this. You're going to see like your friends using eye creams from Sephora or from the department store, and their under eyes are not going to look as good as yours. So it's never too early to start on a really good eye cream. It is going to save you with, you know, the aging process as you get older. So these are the best of the best, you guys. I have tested, I have tried them all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel already. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried any of these, and I will list and link all of these in the description box as well. So open it up there. You can get quick links to each one of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for hanging out, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.